In the world of Forex trading, two critical concepts that every trader should master are support and resistance. These terms are fundamental to technical analysis and play a vital role in price action. Understanding these levels can significantly enhance your trading strategy, helping you make informed decisions. Let's dive into what support and resistance mean, how to identify them, and their importance in trading. Support and resistance levels are price points on a chart where the price tends to stop and reverse. Support is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand. In simple terms, it's like a safety net for prices. When prices drop to this level, buyers step in believing the asset is undervalued.